You'll never get it open.
Let's move.
Quit reading stuff. Open it from the top. Wherever I taped it.
Need two hands on this.
Wait,
Can't open it. You'll never get your present.
It's a box. I love it.
okay, put that to the side. Put that to the side.
You got wrapping paper.
Bunch of bubble wrap. Okay. Okay. So I had a lot of help with this. Full disclosure, it's not brand new, it's used.
Nope.
But I had a lot of help with this. Mike Groff was a godsend and helped me a lot.
That's why that asshole.
He has been going out of his skin.
You smelling it?
So it's got some scratches and nicks on it, but
I'm just gonna get a lot more.
Open it. Open it.
And when I picked it up, I went right over to Groff's house. We've been chatting. I went right over to his house. He's like, I'll try to clean it up as much as I can and whatnot. And he goes, he's gonna put stickers on it anyway. Said whoever had this before, it came from Hollywood. They're like, you don't have any of your stuff here, so you can't even try it. Now, I want to tell you about that. Do you know about it?
I mean, it's a Fernandes. It's what I play. It's got a sustainer.
It's called a sustainer.
Yep. No, I know, but my other guitar has that as well.
That's the.
Yep.
Okay. So Mike was saying this one is really has a unique feature, and he wasn't sure. He goes, he put different strings on it.
Sure, because he knows what I like.
He knows, and he said, put this in the box so he knows. And if he wants something different, tell him to bring it over to me. He said also, he'll tell you all about it. He's been wanting to talk to you about it now for weeks.
That's probably why he's ignoring my calls and my text messages about.
He's been wanting to talk to you about it for weeks. He said in here, it came with 2 springs in it, because that's something with the sustain, like it holds the feedback note or whatever, and he wasn't sure how much of it you wanted.